So I'm starting to prepare the van here. I got a little bit of painting to do. I'm going to paint these hinges that I had to replace these pins on a while back and just never got around to painting them. It's just on the driver's door. And while I'm at it, I'm going to be painting the inside of the doors, which I never did. So I'm just starting to sand these down. I'm just going to paint from here. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'll do these 4 doors. These ones I have sanded already. And then I'm going to put some sort of material in here. And then if I have enough paint, I might finish painting that right above the doors on each side. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the ceiling or the roof here. Okay, so I got everything taped up, covered up. All this for just 2 little hinges, but so I got them sanded, wiped them down with some alcohol, and the doors as well. Cleaned them up. Everything's covered up. Okay, so now I'm going to spray on some sealer. And I'm going to be using a touch-up gun, which I've never used before. Let's see how that goes. This is it here. Princess Auto Special. So let's give it a try, see what happens.
While everyone else is sleeping, you're 2,500 feet above the ground, surrounded by water. A breathtaking sunrise is fully experienced in the Sundance Balloons hot air balloon ride. Visit SundanceBalloons.com.
Let's shop better to help us reach our goals, so we can live healthier. Let's shop for style and comfort. And the best of time. Let's shop smarter with daily offers and interest-free payments, so we can spend wisely. Let's shop brands that are true to our values, like finding Canadians. Let's reconnect with what truly matters and celebrate life to the fullest. Let's shop better at TSC.
Financing is available and admission is free. That's the Spa Pool and Swim Spa Blowout this weekend at Red River Exhibition Park. Visit hottubshow.com. That's hottubshow.com.
You, my friend, are listening to CITIFM, the legendary 92.1 station. Winnipeg's rock station since 1978.
Online and on your phone. Play 92.1 City.
Okay, so we got a coat of sealer on. The only reason I'm using it is because the green doesn't cover very well, so this helps even out the base, so it covers half decent. These hinges. Okay, now we'll mix up some green, see how it goes. Okay, so last minute decision, I'm going to paint the roof here. I wasn't going to, but I'm going to use the primer and just see how it looks. Maybe I'll leave it as is. But I have some primer left, so I had to tape everything up. And we'll spray it and see how it looks. Okay, so now we're going to spray some paint on there. Okay, so a bit of an update on the van. I did some painting. I did the hinges. Okay, turned out not too bad. And then I also did the inside of the doors. And I did put some turf on the doors. The back ones look like. And I also painted the inside, the roof. I wasn't going to, but I had enough paint. So I figured, well, might as well get it done, and I can always put something over top of it after. It's not really that great, but at least it's got some green and it's not blue. Alright, thanks for watching.